The National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA, is one of the most important environmental laws that Congress has passed. However, the law has faced criticism from those who argue that it has been used as a weapon to impede important infrastructure projects. In 7-county infrastructure coalition versus Eagle County, Colorado, the Supreme Court considered whether a lower court erred in using NEPA to derail a proposed railroad line. The 7-county infrastructure coalition sought to build a railroad line connecting Utah's Uinta Basin to the national rail network. The basin contained significant oil resources. The new railroad line would largely be used to transport crude oil from the basin to refineries along the Gulf Coast. The project required the approval of the Surface Transportation Board, a government agency. Under NEPA, the board had to prepare an environmental impact statement, or EIS, to address the possible effects the railroad line would have on the environment and alternative options to mitigate those effects. The board prepared a thorough EIS analyzing the environmental impact of the railroad line itself. However, the EIS didn't analyze the potential environmental impact of increased oil drilling in the Uinta Basin or increasing refining of that oil in the Gulf Coast. The board approved the railroad line. Eagle County, Colorado, and several environmental groups sued. The D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals overturned the board's approval, finding that its EIS was deficient for failing to consider the potential upstream and downstream effects of the railroad's construction. The coalition sought review, which the Supreme Court granted.